Hello everyone, thank you for click this video, and today I will show you how to zoom video in CapCut. So I have one video here and I want to zooming on this part and the normal on this part and zooming again on this part and the normal on this part again and so on. If you want to zoom the video, it's just simply click on the video or on the part that you want to zooming in, then pinch it like this, then click on the anywhere, and then you can do that again to another part. You can move it to like this, then you can click on here and zooming in again and move it again, and this is the result. So this is how to zoom video in CapCut. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.